Well, hello there, buddy. Welcome back home. Tell me all about your day. It was a fun adventure. Did you feel the feeling of love again? Cause if you did, you know what I'm have to do. Erase it from your mind until you lose feeling too. You can't hide from me now. Open up the doors. You can't run from me, cause it'll only make it worse. You are special, don't forget that. You panic when you're alone, just fucking relax. Get on your caretaker, do what I say. But I love you, please don't run away. You know I'm here to help, that's all I wanna do. Now open up the door, why? Cause there's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, holding you back, tying you up. You do what I say, remember when I said that. It's okay, just breathe. I know it's hard to feel the things. It's okay, I'm by your side. Keep you warm, please don't hide. Hiding in the dark, and it's alright. Feel that in your heart, it hurts, it's fine. Loneliness, loneliness, soaking up the last one left. Open the door and let me see how the world has made you bleed. You see, you've got me trapped again. It looks different. How will I escape this? And what's the point of doing this now? Fear, what's going on? Why'd you come back? I've got what I want, and here you are handing me old masks. You lost yourself, you need to find your purpose. What do you mean I know what I'm doing? I don't like how you always invade and trade my happiness for sadness. You're driving me insane. Driving me insane. Yeah. Everybody trying to find a way to feel the same. The only thing I want is to not be fake. And I'm not gonna stop doing what I want just because people can't read my heart. It's okay, I'm by your side. Keep you warm, please don't hide. Hiding in the dark, and it's alright. Feel that in your heart, it hurts, it's fine. Loneliness, loneliness, soaking up the last one left. Open the door and let me see how the world has made you.